I'm Dr. Jayme.
And I'm Bailee. I'm a hygienist, and we're a part of the dental team at Dentistry Just for Kids and TK Orthodontics.
We've had a few friends with some good questions about their teeth that we want to take some time to answer.
First, we'll hear from our friend Sophia.
What's a cavity?
A cavity can happen when we eat a lot of food throughout the day, especially sugary food, and we don't brush our teeth the way that we're supposed to.
If you don't brush away the sugary foods from throughout the day, the cavity can make a home in your tooth and cause a lot of pain.
So make sure that you keep up on your brushing so you can get all those sugar bugs out from in between your teeth. Speaking of brushing, my friend Aaliyah has another question for us.
How should I brush my teeth?
That was a great question. So for brushing your teeth, you want to do big circular motions getting the front, back, and the tops of your teeth. You want to brush twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. You can always have your mom and dad check you to make sure everything is nice and clean.
Remember, when brushing your teeth, you don't need to use a lot of toothpaste. All you need is a tiny little pea-sized toothpaste right on top of that toothbrush. And do me a big favor. Let's remember to make sure that we brush our teeth right before we go to bed so that we get all the sugar bugs off before we go to sleep.
Before we move on, my friend Nora has another question about taking care of her teeth.
I really need a floss.
Yes, you do really need to floss. Your teeth within your mouth touch each other very tightly, and a lot of food can get stuck in between those teeth. So flossing helps because sometimes the toothbrush can't get all that food out.
You're going to start flossing by wrapping the floss around one of your fingers. You're going to gently wiggle it in between the teeth that are touching and make a C shape and go up and down on each side of the tooth. You don't want to forget way in the back, so make sure you go around your whole mouth.
We have one more question from our friend Peyton.
What kind of foods are good for your teeth?
When you're thinking about the types of food that you want to try to avoid for your teeth, we want to try to stay away from those really sugary foods and also sodas. It doesn't mean that you can't have these foods ever, but we want to make sure that if we're going to enjoy them, that we're taking really good care of our teeth and brushing twice a day and drinking lots and lots and lots of water.
Some foods you do want to eat are carrots, apples, celery, and especially milk, cheese, and yogurt. These foods are not only yummy, but they're good for growing strong teeth.
Can you tell us which of these foods are good for your teeth?
Great job! You guys are on your way to a healthy smile.
Thanks for spending some time with us today. We hope you've learned a lot about how to take care of your teeth. We'll see you next time at Dentistry Just for Kids and TK Orthodontics.